Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you, they bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's morning show or rather afternoon show. You get now. So talk sports, I dey watch them. So Ben's gonna talk waiting many Arsenal fans actually carry for mind say make Ødegaard make dem actually bench am make Eze play more. You get many Arsenal fans actually subscribe to this line up because it is looking like Ødegaard don comot for form. Yes, he was some time ago not in form. He come back to form. Now e be like say e don leave the form again. So Ben Snako talk say at the Elland Road against Leeds, we don't want to see Ødegaard there. Make Ødegaard dey for bench. In fact, make I show you how the media put it out. Pundit urges Arsenal to drop Martin Ødegaard versus Leeds. Get now initially I don't know who they talk, but when I come read the entirety of the report, I come find out say he was even taken off before the hours. Martin Bent they talk via the Metro. So Bent urges Ateta to drop Ødegaard from Arsenal's starting lineup against Leeds next weekend, as he has been offering nothing in recent games. Although he showed glimpses of his old self after recovering from his injury, his level has dropped massively. So Eberechize should start over the coming 4 or 5 matches. Now, so it's Ben stock gone. Next weekend in the Premier League, Odegaard out, honestly, out. After Eze has had that impact against Tottenham Hotspur where he scored a hat trick, which was unbelievable, Odegaard came back in and he was better. And I thought, okay, we are going to get the Odegaard back after from 2 years ago. But he's gone back to himself. So he's offering nothing. Get Eze 4 or 5 games. Now, when you see wetin Benson talk, do you subscribe to this line of thoughts or whether you no subscribe? Yeah, so let me know because no say Ben sef na Arsenal fan, so him dey feel almost everything as e dey pain us. Na so the thing sef dey pain am. You get so let me know what you think about wetin Baba dey talk. Now, away from that, so I can't see this particular report for the Arsenal website. Our match will play tomorrow. Kairat Almaty. So everything you need to know about Kairat Almaty. This na the first time we will play against Kairat Almaty for our career, for our history. You get. So na the first time we will play them. They are from Kazakhstan. For those who don't know, they are from Kazakhstan. You get. So if you read that Arsenal website, read the entirety of the website, you go find out say na the first time we will play them. Now only one team, them collect point. They play Paphos. They play 1-1 or thereabout. They play draw. They collect 1 point. Every other person they knock them. Every other person they knock them. Obviously, the golf in class between a team like Arsenal sitting at the top of the league, pretty there, compared to a team from Kazakhstan. That Kazakhstan, no be like say now all the Kazakhs, all those people, and them food they don't know. They still get like 2 Brazilian. They still get some other nationalities waiting for their team. But the Coco be say, nah, from Kazakhstan that they come from. So the expectation of everybody is will knock the waiting no good. In fact, what we supposed to do Manchester United, we just pack and they give that this Kairat Almaty to use and talk sorry. To tell Arsenal sorry. Now, for their own stadium, I saw their stadium. Very beautiful stadium. So Kairat Almaty play at the Almaty Central Stadium, the country's largest sports complex. The stadium holds 23,804 supporters. Well, they will be coming to a stadium that holds 60,000 plus. So then go bring their own. I don't know how many of the traveling contingents will come here because it's going to be at the Emirates Stadium. But like the match go really make sense because from the Arsenal website, our final Champions League and phase game sees us play Kairat Almaty at the Emirates Stadium on Wednesday, January 28th. That is tomorrow at 8 p.m. UK time, which will be 9 p.m. Nigerian time. So history will be made yet as we face a side from Kazakhstan for the first time in our history, looking to finish off a flying group stage 8/8. It will beat them now 8/8, which is a good record. Yes. So well, I just hope say we win because you know say sometimes I just presume we are lucky enough to win. I would see me, I will just want talk, yes. Now this whole time because the win go a long way to like mellow our fans' hearts. They just mellow their hearts. Pending when we come meet Leeds get. So now my own prayer with that. Now, away from that, Why Arsenal interest in 86 million Julian Alvarez is a transfer gamble that is worth taking. Now, wetin the London Evening Standard come dey put out today. Now, you know say yesterday I bin dey talk about am say dis guy since November na dem say e don score last. No na November 1 abi since November na im don score last. Since then e never really burst net again. So it's a gamble, it's a risk. I come dey ask, should Arsenal be going for somebody wey no dey in form? What is the guarantee say if he come here go come hit that form? You get, because nobody has the crystal ball to know what will happen in the future. That is why the London Evening Standard talk say na risk, na gamble. Now they can't give their own reasons. They say na Andrea Berta when in there for Atletico Madrid, na he signed this guy from Man City. So Berta has a good working relationship with this particular player in Noam. So Berta also now they look for this player. Now you know the twist. This player wey dem dey talk about, no be say we wan sign am for January o. Na summer signing. So personally, I don't even know why we are even talking about it. You get, because it no really make any sense. We are looking for people that will come and help us salvage our situation now, based on say the forward we get, they are firing blanks at the moment. It can still change, but at the moment they are firing blanks. So we need somebody. One of our committee members tell me yesterday, say, why can't we go for Mateta? I don't know that thing before. Why can't we go for Mateta? 40 million. Carry am. Mateta is still better than Gabriel Jesus. He's still better than Kairat, because he understand the league. In fact, I would take Mateta in January than to be waiting for summer to come and carry this one. Carry Mateta first, win the league. E no go bad. Season end, you just find square root. Maybe Havertz find square root or not. I don't really know Mateta plan. But at least I know say with all these people on one side, Gabriel Jesus gone now, one of the weakest link for that number 9 position where I don't think they go still dey here. That's my opinion anyway. Ateta and Berta might have a different view. You too, you might have a different view. No harm, no foul. So for me, bringing in a Mateta in this January, it will add that physicality. We go take break down all these low blocks and give us that aerial threat, because the guy is a menace in the air. He's very, very big and strong. You get, so he go really go a long way help us. He's not really like that world class. Oh wow, Ali Alan, but at least he go a long way, because the physicality of the league is nothing to him. He understand the physicality. So I subscribe to that line of thoughts that going for Mateta, but I don't think some of them Arteta go really look towards that direction, because I would have said, okay, let's go there. Now, when you look at the London Evening Standard report, they said Gyökeres has 9 goals in all competitions this season, but has not scored a non-penalty goal in the Premier League for almost 3 months. That was why Gabriel Jesus started getting his chances to start, and which was why Arteta said, okay, Jesus, we don't say you score against Inter, oh yeah, come play against Manchester United. But the Brazilian struggled, though, and his future at the Emirates is uncertain. Gabriel Jesus' contract will expire after next season, which means as this season finish now, he go dey in final lap. And from the look of things, they never give him contract extension, which means they are willing to let him go. No be me talk am. I dey look the thing wey we dey see for front now. Unless maybe they can't give a new contract, as long as they never give a new contract, the all indices and all road leads to a Gabriel Jesus exit. So me, I'm looking at the highlighting on the wall. Now, when you still go down the report, they say Alvarez is outperforming his XG this season. The kind of finishing Arsenal really do it. In fact, Gyökeres is gonna say he don't score 5 league goals from an XG of 6.52, which means you should have scored at least 6 goals, but he scored 5. We see within the range and the margin of error we go there. But beyond just goals, Alvarez will give you more shots, register more assists, make more passes, create more chances per 90 minutes than Gyökeres and Gabriel Jesus. And I subscribe to that line of thought. You know why? Alvarez is like an advanced version of Gabriel Jesus. He's a true 9, Gabriel Jesus is a false 9. But based on say he no get that bullish body build, he go fit wiggle out of tight spaces and he go fit dribble, create space for himself. Boom. Gyökeres cannot do that. Gyökeres is a flat track bully. He gets. Alvarez is not a bully. Jesus is not a bully. So we get different profile. Kai Havertz's profile is different from Gabriel Jesus' profile. Two of them profile is different from Gyökeres' profile. So depending on the type of opposition where you go meet, you go know who you go play. And sometimes you might even be tempted to play the 2 players at the same time. So in all of this, what do you self you think? Let me know, because something has to give. We'll be taking a bigger risk, carrying our squad the way it is. wait till transfer window finish. For me, I honestly think we will be taking a bigger risk, but we'll just watch. Now, according to say Cole Palmer, they open to joining Manchester United because in they unsettled for London. In family, they Manchester. You say be Manchester boy. But now Man City now go David, they don't see the greatness in him, become Jackpa. So in the reason say he won't go back, but he don't want to go back to Man City because they know value and when they come up. So he won't join Manchester United based on family issue. And I don't want to do the analysis before because sometimes as a player, you go one move, all your family go do one side, you go another. Loneliness, you know, go really the bad do with the happen. Nobody like say just no really man playing time. Oh, they see let them play. They ask even a manager, the new manager, they ask how far this one about the year. Say Cole won't come on. He said no, he's happy here. I spoke with him. It's okay. There's no cause for alarm. That's okay. Everywhere good. Now Leicester City owner Pidgin. When they talk about the league where they win, when they win the Premier League that time, say it started like a dream. The manager they talk plenty things. You get say that season and one of the most magical seasons where they don't experience. And it's even anyway in Papa pie for plane crash. The Papa and somebody else, I don't even forget and that family. Well, that's so rest in peace, yeah. So but now they know the champion and they know the Premier League again, like the champion. Maybe they'll come back another day. Well, I hope so. Now, Fabrizio Romano can analyze how Arsenal they play corner. See, this is Arsenal during corners. If you say the analysis was analyzed yesterday, the way Martin Clattenburg, Matt Clattenburg, the former referee, when he talks, say maybe PGM will stop Arsenal tactics from playing corner. I told you the way we do our tactics now. Nobody before we say Ben White will go miss keeper, go stay with them. Now we will get like 2-3 players. We go dey near the keeper. Based on say we are there, the opponent sef go carry im own 2-3 players come put there. Crowd go come dey there. You see as this crowd dey in front of the keeper now. Tell me how that keeper want to come aside from that crowd. So when you are maybe a VAR analyst, you can't look, maybe we don't score, they can't say make you check for any obstruction or impediment. You can't look at like this. You see, say Arsenal player and the opposition player, now they block the goalkeeper. Who you go penalize? You don't see the dilemma there now. That is why he had to cancel Arsenal goal. Unless truly it is an obvious one-on-one direct like blockage. Now there you go say okay, this is a blockage. But like this, Baba, now their own player even plenty pass our own player safe. You get so that's it just be. So this was when Leicester won the league. We can just come on there. We don't talk about that one pass. Now JB Carragher, you see, agenda don't start now. Carragher they thought say you get some master players when they're not supposed to carry go World Cup. So when they don't carry very chase the go World Cup. So very chase they plenty for Arsenal. So very chase and Madueke. So those two. When they don't near there, make two shall not look their side. This is the agenda don't start. Very soon, time go reach. Don't start with the very easy and Madueke now. Time go reach now. They go say Bukayo Saka has not been good this season. He is much rusty or he's out of form. So it not go make sense make carry player with the out of form go World Cup, make them drop Saka. That if that narrative you go see come. You go see here say Declan Rice has not been Declan Rice. If like say they go drop Declan Rice, carry N'Golo Kante. Even though Kante no be England. Oh, I just play around chat. So I dey see the narrative. I don't start to see wetin dey sup again. So just the watch. I don't start with this two now. Nobody talk anything. Okay. Na Carragher work be that. Na Carragher. Get. I'm going to call other player. I say, now this one better, now this one better. But we'll just watch and see. But Saka, make I no lie for you. Saka should be worried. Saka should be worried because Tuchel don't talk and say, now only those where they play regularly and where they perform, 9 go carry. You've not been scoring. Like 0 goals in like 13 games or thereabout, last 13. You get. So at the end of the season now, if this your bad form continue, which I don't pray it does, but if it continues, if Tuchel come no pick you, come pick all those Morgan Rogers there, come pick all those people they back, don't feel offended. Because Tuchel is going to pick players based on form and not based on past glory. You get the points. Which it will be outrageous for them to even drop Bukayo Saka, whether in the form or not. The country will be backlash based on a big name in B. But no be maybe Tuchel. You get. I just observe. We could see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, this small boy, every day, I see news about this boy. Villapenas, what be that name? Valdepenas. The guy they play for Real Madrid now, defender him being a centre back. At the end news about this guy. Arsenal one time. Today now, the Athletic, the Arsenal arm, Gunners blog. A number of European clubs have explored the potential January move for Victor Bellas, although Arsenal primarily holds some interest. It's Arsenal really like the guy. I don't know what the guy they play, but I don't know what they see. So that one save day. Now, see this Dejan Kulusevski. Dey for Sky Sports, they come dey tell am say Arsenal go win the Premier League. He say cap, say Arsenal win the Premier League, like lie. Say put it on my name. Say I will find you when they don't. See confidence. He tell the interviewer say when the league don finish, I go find you come ask you how far. Arsenal go win the league, man bend. Omo, I say God, the hate is deep, but I'm not surprised. Na dis kind pipu na dem go tell their player say omo we dey play against Man City. If Man City beat us, Arsenal don win the league. Omo make I no gba o. Make I let Man City beat us 100-0. Na dis kind mentality e run deep into their veins. The hate from Tottenham Hotspur fans and players. Dis one na an epic, na prime example na e be, so I'm not surprised, but we go shock am for. Now Arsenal have been tipped to struggle with scoring set pieces soon. Now the analysis here from the Daily Mail is that there is this danger because Arsenal dey thrive on set pieces, but very soon everybody go understand how to stop Arsenal from scoring set pieces. If that down happens, wetin Arsenal go come do? Because the danger for Arteta now is that other teams and coaches find a way to play on a problem that could easily start to have a psychological impact on the league leaders. Like once everybody come find out how to stop Arsenal from scoring from set pieces, e go affect Arsenal mentally because Arsenal go say, how I want to score again against low block. But I don't think anybody will look for a way to stop it. The best way to stop it is have more desire than Arsenal players to jump and head the ball. It's all about the fight for the ball. There's no secrets. There's no juju. You get? We don't already take care of the keeper. Say keeper no go come aside. We don't already block him. So can you jump higher than Magalhaes? Because Magalhaes can be our jumper. Made like primary jumper before the secondary ones. You get? Saliba they take care of the blocking. Other people take care of the blocking. So can you jump? Do you have the desire? If they nod your head, can you jump again? These are the issues. Don't be if I say and for what you want cash. But I can't cash nothing if you can't breathe. All right, away from that, let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors in Mobile World Associates and Co Limited to the into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Also, I could bring you a message from Madam Adobe, who gets this Turkish furniture for sale, where them bring into the country. So they get complete sets available for sale. They get 2 3-seater chairs, 2 single-seater chairs, 3 side tables, 1 center table, big size dining table, 6 pieces of dining seats, and 6 throw pillows. So if you're interested, make you contact Madam Adobe on 080-206-026-34, and the location of Shangote Do Aja, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you're interested, get in touch with our number is at the bottom of the screen ASAP. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call this evening. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out, right guys. Ciao.